Right, let's create this whole texture. From here, selecting the principal bead, press Ctrl T. That'll add in our image texture, mapping, and texture coordinates. I'm going to go open. Actually, first going to go to ambient CG and download one of the textures. Free textures. This is concrete, just if you didn't know. All I'm going to do is add in the color for now and open image. And I want to specifically UV unwrap this in a specific way. Numpad 7 for a top view. Let's go tab into edit mode, select everything with A. I'm going to press U and I'm just going to go project from view. Over here on the left hand side, you can see what that actually looks like. I'm just going to scale that puppy up. Yeah, maybe a bit more. And we can see the blandness. That's fine. From here, I'm actually going to delete the texture coordinate and I'm going to add in a UV map, dump that one to there, and I'm going to select UV map down the bottom here. You can see how it's a bit shiny. It's not what we want. So we're going to bump up the roughness. Can you just move over, please? We are going to go into the IRO, and I'm just going to bring it down, just so now we've got kind of like a solid color. That's already looking a lot better. From here, I want to add in these kinds of like panels. So I'm going to select these, Shift D, and move them up. I'm going to get rid of that UV map, and we're going to open up a JS displacement one, which kind of look like this. So I'm going to select this one up the top right here. Now, there is a free version. There'll be a link in the description where you can do it through like a web portal. I'm going to go down into the UV maps, create a new UV map, make sure it's selected, tab into edit mode. I'm going to press U, and then I'm going to do a smart UV project. If we have a look at it now, you can kind of see how it's all UV unwrapped. Rather than if I click on UV map, we can see it's projected. This one here has all the pieces like that. With that, let's check our UV map. We're going to select the second one. I'm going to change the scale to 0.25, 0.25, 0.25. Let's go into a mix node. Lovely, and we'll put that one there. Put our GS displace in the bottom one, our color into that one, and this one into there. I'm going to change mix. We're going to go into multiply. And if we have a look, cool story. This is where we can increase the multiplication factor, and you can see how those panels are now starting to come through. Just to add a little bit extra, might just go in with an ambient occlusion. And so when we kind of like come into this area, I can go distance 5, and you can kind of see how we've got that little bit of grunge around the edge. And as you can see, yeah, very quickly, some sweet panels. That is pretty cool.